So hello to our North American dealers. I just want to show you guys our new adapter for the kicksled, how to get the double brake onto a kicksled. So we have these new adapters here. They come as a pair, left and right hand side, and the kit will come with a 2 bolts, 2 washers and 4 nuts. So this is just one side here. The other side is already on the double brake. So the idea is that you put these adapters on the double brake, and then as a whole unit you put them onto the kicksled. And how they go on the kicksled should be quite obvious really. We'll provide you with also with longer, slightly longer bolts. So they just go on the inside of the mountings there, like so. So that bolt goes through, and then you obviously pop your brace back and do the nuts up. The more complicated thing is getting these on, so I'll show you how to do it. The double brake comes with the spring in place like that. So what I'd like you to do is to take the spring off, keep it the same orientation, and put the spring through like this. Okay, and then take the washer, put it on your bolt, and then put it up from the outside through the middle of the spring like this. Okay, then you turn this over and you put the bolt, start the bolt down into the tube on the double brake and bend. First of all, you bend this round so that the spring goes back into its rightful place, into its home position. Then you have to twist this guy around like this, so that this tab sits against the face of the brake here, and you push the bolt down through, and then you'll put first one nut on here until the assembly is tight, and then a second as a lock nut. And you'll know it's tight on this side. If you pull here, there's no side to side movement at all this way, but it can still move freely that way. Okay, so that's now nice and tight. So that's your stop for the brake. So then when you've got that in position, it just goes onto the kicksled and it should hold everything correctly. It's just a little knack of getting that bolt in properly and doing everything in the right order, but you'll get the hang of it very quickly.